Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Audi HR application not working on your Android device. If you are trying to log in and access to your Audi HR application, but if it's not working properly, then here are some fixes you could try out and follow. The first thing you can do is to restart your phone. A simple restart can often clear up temporary glitches, so make sure to hold your power switch and then click on the restart button from your Android device. Once you've restarted your device, make sure you are connected to a stable internet, whether it's a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you do that, force close the Audi HR application. Tap on the menu button at the bottom left corner, and if you are running the Audi HR application in the background, simply tap on Close All or simply swipe up the app cards upwards and release. Soon after you do that, you will be force stopping the application. Now launch it open again by going through the app drawer and check if that works for you. If the problem still persists, you should consider clearing the app cache and data. Go to your device's settings option and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will take you to the app list where you can choose the Audi HR application, which will open up the app info page. Now tap on Storage, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap OK, and this will clear out your app cache and data. Once you've done that, go ahead and update your application if it needs an update. To check that, open up your Google Play Store and search Audi HR. If you find the application in the search result like this, look for the Update button on the page. If you see an Update button instead of Open, it means that your application is ready to be updated to the latest version. Tap on Update to download the latest updates for the app. Once you do that, open the app again and check if that fixes your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Audi HR application is not working properly on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.